AMKE Baby Bassinets Bedside Sleeper for Baby. It comes with a no-tool assembly and advanced quick folding mechanism means the bassinet can be easily set up. AMKE Bedside Bassinets with breathable mesh sidewalls and zipper design makes it easier to care for baby from bed, especially for breastfeeding and C-section moms. It is truly a sleep saver and improves quality of life. The extra-large storage basket is easy to access and holds all the baby's essentials, making sure all is within arm's reach. AMKE Bassinet performs more safety tests and quality checks than other brands, made to exceed all safety standards study the CPSC and ESPM. Recommended for babies up to 20 lbs, or 5 months of age. The AMKE Premium Bedside Sleeper is crafted with a high-strength and liquid aluminum frame, and adopts environmentally friendly water transfer wood grain technology, which has the advantages of no mold, no odor, easy to clean, etc.
What are you waiting for? Get these products, very great discounts, through the links in the description, and do not forget to subscribe to receive more offers daily.